sausage, bicycle, toothpaste, beach. Wait a minute. Beach. Beach. That's it. That's it. I have to find a bellflower. I need to make a call.
Well, it's a summer Sunday and I'm under a cloud that shades my happiest blunder. But catching the wave of another is easy life. Oh, I never thought that I could ever give my life to one girl. I feel like I'm spinning, washed up banana company. Life is all too thinking of swimming out tonight.
By now, I was all alone on the train, and I felt sure I wasn't going to Muffle Mountain.
Lady in my bed and
That's my cell phone. Hello? Junior? Junior, is that you?
oh, hi, Cuz. Are you in a tunnel? This isn't a very good line.
Junior, where are you?
I'm in paradise. I just got on cloud 9 and here I am.
Junior, listen to me. I've run out of gold dust, and because of that, I'm losing my energy as well. You've got to come to the island of Sodor right now.
Now? But I'm waiting on the perfect wave.
Oh, no, you're not. You're coming here.
Okay. How?
On our railroad, that's how. You have to help me find the source of all our family's gold dust.
What is the source?
That's the trouble, Junior. I haven't a clue.
You haven't a clue? And I've used up most of my gold dust too.
What? Then go to Shining Time Station first. And in my signal house, in the box, under the staircase, you'll find my emergency whistle with the last of my supply. Please take care of this, Junior, and don't talk to anyone about the buffers. The universe of the entire conductor family is in jeopardy.
What buffers?
Shh.
This is a really bad line. Hello? My cell phone's not working properly.
Junior, you've got to come here right away. I'm counting on you.
Hello? Hello? I want my money back.
Shining Time? What does that mean? You again? Do you want me to get off here? What is this place?
The magic is gone. Why did I take my gold dust for granted? I can't help without my gold dust. What is the source of my gold dust? Is someone there? Thomas, is that you?
Oh, Mr. Conductor, where are you?
Thomas? Thomas? How could I possibly say that I'm really useful now?
Where is everyone? What have you brought me here for?
right, cousin. Hiya. Who are you?
I'm Lily. Who are you?
See, Junior. Did I drop some sunglasses when I came in here?
I don't know.
Might as well use some more of this stuff. See you, Lily.
What is this stuff?
Mr. Two Feathers! I've seen the stranger and he looks like he's trying to destroy the mountain.
Thank you for telling me, Patch.
Mr. Two Feathers, why are there two lines in the middle of this meadow?
I've never noticed that before.
If we knew the answer to that question, Patch, we'd understand the mystery of this valley.
Excuse me. Are you Lily?
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Stacy Jones. I'm manager here. You must have gotten on the wrong train. Your grandpa's very upset. I'm going to take you back to Muffle Mountain.
Thank you. Stacy, did you know my grandma?
My mother did. She said Tasha was a wonderful dancer. And Billy says that Burnett was once the finest railroad engineer in the valley.
I think Grandpa liked to call Grandma Lady.
Lady?
Yes, I heard him say that name.
Well, my mother said your grandpa certainly had three passions in his life. Tasha, trains, and this valley.
That, engine. She's in that mountain, isn't she?
Even if she were, she'd be no good to you now.
You're wrong, Burnett Stone. Just like you're always wrong.
Magic can make a man unhappy. Look what it's done to you. I'm after money, not magic. She's good for one thing.
She's good for scrap. I'll be back, Burnett Stone. I'm just gonna have to level this mountain.
Who's that man with Grandpa?
I found you. Now I'm
Man
gonna
who
find
doesn't
that.
like beauty. Hello, Burnett.
Stacy. Hello, Lily.
Hi, Grandpa.
Well, have a good evening, Burnett.
Thanks, Stacy. Good night.
Stacy. You said I wish. I wish? Oh, yes. I wish you'd come back and see us tomorrow at Shining Time. If your grandpa lets you.
Hey, Grandpa, I saw this really cool guy down at the station. He was really little and kind of golden. Can you believe that?
I used to believe that. Now I only believe what I can see.